These golden air fryer pork, walnut and blue cheese sausage rolls are cooked to perfection in the air fryer. Get started by placing the sausage meat, cheese, walnuts and parsley in a medium bowl. Use your hands to mix until well combined, then divide into 6 even portions. Next, place one pastry half on a clean work surface. Shape one portion of the sausage mixture into a 3 cm by 24 cm log. Place along one long edge of the pastry half. Brush the edges of the pastry with a little egg, then roll up to enclose the filling. Cut the log into 3 pieces and place the sausage rolls seam side down on a tray. Repeat with the remaining pastry halves and sausage mixture. Brush the tops of the sausage rolls with the remaining egg and sprinkle with the combined sesame seeds. Preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange 1/3 of the sausage rolls in the basket of the air fryer. Cook for 15 minutes or until the pastry is golden and the pork mixture is cooked through. Transfer to a plate and cover to keep warm. Repeat in 2 more batches with the remaining sausage rolls. Always a favourite, these sausage rolls are great for sharing. Serve them with tomato relish for an irresistible bite.